All right, every now and again you're going to come across a septic system that has one of these yellow deals right here. This is called a safety lid. You'll most commonly see them on the polylock style of riser, which is this green style right here, with a lid very similar to that. How this works, that lid will fit into those grooves right here, right? And then you will take a bolt and you'll actually screw it down, and that's what secures the lid to the tank. Over time, the lids will either crack or break, or somebody will lose the bolt, and the lid becomes potentially accessible to a child. In this particular circumstance, they have like a little thin layer of mulch on top of the tank, so it doesn't really matter. But it's super important if you have this type of lid, this type of setup, you have to have some kind of safety catch underneath. So if somebody falls in accidentally, they don't fall all the way into 5 foot of sewage and potentially drown. It's one heck of a way to go, and we don't want to let that happen. In our area, you'll really only kind of see this on systems where the original concrete lid has either broken or fallen apart in some way, shape, or form, and this is used to replace that. They come in yellow. You'll see some that are black, thick little discs, and then sometimes you'll have like this white hockey puck looking deal that will also slide into there. The most common one you're going to see is this yellow one. They're pretty inexpensive, but they're worth every penny. Like I said, if you don't have one, super important to make sure that you talk to your septic contractor to get one put in, just so that way you never have to worry about somebody falling into your tank and potentially drowning.